The saying too much of anything is not good is a timeless reminder of the importance of balance in various aspects of life. This phrase teaches us that excess, in any form, can lead to negative consequences. Whether it's eating, working, resting, or even emotions, going overboard or exceeding limits can bring about undesirable outcomes. Examples of balance. 1. Eating. While food is essential for health, overconsumption can lead to obesity, heart diseases, and other health problems. On the contrary, eating too little can cause nutritional deficiencies and weakness. 2. Working hard. Work is necessary to achieve success, but overworking can result in exhaustion, stress, and adversely affect mental and physical health. 3. Resting. Adequate rest helps the body and mind recover, but too much rest can lead to laziness and decreased productivity. For emotions, spending time and showing love to loved ones is crucial, but relying too much on or controlling others excessively can cause conflicts and tension in relationships. Maintaining balance in all activities helps lead a more harmonious and healthy life. As the age-old saying goes, too much of anything is not good. Always know when to stop and adjust to live more peacefully. Let me know if there's anything else you would like to include. Overcoming difficulties is an integral part of life, and each person has their unique ways to face challenges. Here are 3 effective methods to help you overcome difficulties. 1. Set clear goals and plans. Design specific goals. When facing difficulties, take the time to set specific goals you want to achieve. This helps you focus on what is important and not be distracted by surrounding events. Develop an action plan. After designing your goals, create a detailed action plan with specific steps. Each small step you complete will bring you closer to overcoming the hardship. 2. Seek support from those around you. Share with loved ones and friends when difficulties arise. Don't hesitate to share with family, friends, or colleagues. They can offer advice, support, and encouragement to help you get through the tough times. Join a support community. Join groups, clubs, or communities with similar experiences or interests. Those who have faced similar challenges can provide valuable advice and empathy. 3. Maintain a positive and determined attitude. Stay positive. Try to maintain a positive outlook by focusing on the good things and being grateful for what you have. Positive thinking not only keeps your spirit up, but also helps you see problems more clearly. Never give up. Difficulties can be significant challenges, but remain steadfast and never give up. Remember that successful people have also faced failures and difficulties, but they persisted and continued moving forward. With these 3 methods, I hope you will find ways to overcome difficulties and continue your journey with strength and confidence. Do you have any other ways to overcome challenges that you would like to share?